I completed my BS in computer science and later pursued my MCS with a specialization in mobile app development for my final year project. Despite of these achievements, I struggled and tried to land the IT job sector, but he failed actually. And I ultimately did an accounting assistant job. It was not his preferred field, so he finished his MCS coursework and he's gearing up for his thesis, right? He has strong passion for cybersecurity and particularly in AIOps. In 2024, he has to submit his thesis, right? And he want to ask you what is the optimal research topic for his MCSC thesis, considering the trend in next year or in future.
So,
The topic for his thesis.
so is he like in Pakistan? Where is he based? What's his
Yeah,
name?
he's Pakistan, but I don't have his data.
Okay, so try to gather all the data possible when they are collecting when they are putting the information, right? Otherwise, if someone is not putting the right information, put a display a notice that we won't be able to then answer your question, right? So I'm going to answer this question in English. The fact that he has done is he's about to complete his master's in computer science. Most probably, he has done his bachelor's in computer science as well. He couldn't find a job, and now he's here. Uh, he should study AI ops. Absolutely, yes. He should acquire all the skills and should find a job remotely. As far as the topic is concerned, when he's studying the AI ops, he will know the topic. I'm going to leave it open there. Go and do some research. You will know the topics. There are many topics of DevOps. There are many topics of SysOps. Each and every lab that we are teaching you, you can use it as a potential topic for your thesis if you want to. But you have to start with the AI ops first, start your journey, and then go from there.